Hi everyone, my name is Justina Raphael-Ojo and welcome to this year 2026. Also, welcome to my channel Everything Data Analytics, where data becomes simple, practical and very powerful. So if this is your first time on this channel or you are a subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, it's your first time, kindly subscribe to my channel. So whether you are just starting your analytics journey or leveling up your skill, everything I teach here is actionable, clear and also designed to help you master your skill faster. So if you are learning Excel, if you are learning Power BI, SQL, or you want to build a career as a data analyst, you are in the right place. Yes, this channel is for you, and make sure you subscribe. So in this video, I'm just going to be telling you our new subscriber, or just to remind our subscriber, hold the subscriber, what we offer, what this channel offer. So what we offer in this channel, I'm going to be sharing it with you so that you can stay tuned, and also what I'm going to be sharing with us, tutorials I'm going to be sharing with us in this year 2026, because we are going to be going deeper, we are going to be building together as a data analyst, we are going to be growing together as a data analysis. So I'm happy to share with you what I'm going to be offering you in this year, also what we also offer in this channel. So the first thing I'm going to be sharing with us is this. In this channel we offer step-by-step tutorial. So what do I mean by step tutorial? So every tutorial we offer is you will be able to learn without confusion. Yes, you'll be able to learn with clarity. I'm going to be guiding you through step by step tutorial, and you'll be able to be able to learn without confusion, and everything is going to be clear with you because it's going to be guided. Also, every tutorial is structured for clarity. So you'll be able, in for this you can learn fast and also able to apply what you have learned, the skills that you have learned with confidence. You are going to be learning how to apply everything that you have learned here with confidence. You are going to be learning how to apply it in every aspect that you are going to be working, your different industry that you are going to be working as a data analyst. So you'll be able to apply everything that you have learned with confidence. So make sure you subscribe to Everything Data Analyst so that you won't miss out our tips, our tutorial. The second step, the second things I offer is reward project. So in this channel, we'll be able to turn data into actionable insights, actionable results with project that boosts your portfolio. You'll be able to work on practical on reward projects and be able to build practical dashboard and analysis solution that creates insights that make an impact that also employer can also value. So these are the things that my channel also offer. And the last thing is career and portfolio tips. In this channel, you'll be able to learn how to showcase your skill and stand out as a data analyst. You will learn different skills, you will learn different skills that will able to make you to stand out as a data analyst. You'll be able to get tips to build a strong portfolio and make recruiter take notice of you. You'll be able to turn projects into career launching. So these are the things that this or my channel offer. And in this year 2026, I'm going to be showing you different things to become data analytics, everything around data analysis, because we are going to go deeper into data analysis, everything around data analysis. To become data analyst, everyone wants to hire. So you make sure you subscribe to this channel so that we can dive in together and turn data into confidence, turn data into insight, valuable insight. So keep learning, keep growing and keep striving for excellence. This is what we are going to be building together in this year. We'll be building, we'll be learning together, we'll be growing together, I'll be striving for excellence together. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button to join our growing community, and let's turn data into valuable insight with confidence. Bye. See you in the next video.